Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2021 Scout 235 Dorado. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the optional midnight blue hull color in a full hull upgrade. Just panning alongside the boat, you see we've also got a stainless steel insert within the white rub rail, which is standard on all the Scouts. Midship cleat, that's recessed. Nice white accented scrub rail to match that white rub rail. And now we'll take you inside the rest of the boat. So here in the cockpit of the Scout 235 Dorado, we'll start off at the transom. You'll notice we have a full walk across along the transom. Boat's powered by a V8 300 Dorado from Mercury. Features the top cowling service door. This is a 4.6 liter motor. You can check and change your oil and remove the cowling by engaging this lever, all with one arm while the boat's in the water. Telescoping boarding ladder to the starboard side. Designated cockpit access with a closable lockable door. 4 rod holders along the transom, 2 cup holders. We have a standard bait well that's got a tension hinge on the lid so it won't slam. Pop-up cleats that recess. When you want to fish this boat, you've got a lot of space here in the cockpit with all of these bench seats folded up. I'm going to get that backrest out of the way and fold out this port side bench seat along with this stern seat. So I've got a lot of space for lounging. The stern seat seats 2 comfortably with a high backrest, and then both of these stow away nice and easily and really clean to open this cockpit up for fishing. Our bilge or systems access is really well appointed and laid out, really clean, easy to access everything, no rough edges, all smooth fiberglass. Self-bailing cockpit. On the starboard side, you do have under gunnel rod storage. We've got a wet bar sink here, Corian countertop, cutting board, freshwater sink, a little recessed area that's lit for phones, and then I've got a Yeti cooler that's on a slider, 35 quart Yeti. On this port side lounge, I've got a cooler box beneath the seat that's drained, and 2 cup holders left in the seat. Saw me adjust this backrest earlier, so you can face aft or forward. Pan back over, I forgot to mention the ski hoop option, so we do have this boat equipped with a ski hoop. Got a nice little picnic table area here, a cocktail table, that otherwise stows away really nicely. Notice the fiberglass backing on these bucket seats. Really comfortable, that swivel and slide. Have an adjustable bolster. Feels like you're in a high-end sports car. We've got a ski locker and also access to our batteries midship. This is the Miscela interior. So you've got a Cayenne with a tan ultra vinyl. Really comfortable and looks really sharp. Cup holders, recessed area, little storage net, charging port for your device there. Over here at the helm, we've got a Garmin 8610 touchscreen unit, a 4-inch Mercury vessel view display, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, and the boat is equipped with optional JL speakers. Got a lockable glove box here. Upgraded Edson steering wheel with a rubber back, has a steering knob and is on an adjustable tilt. So really comfortable helm area. 2 cup holders. The boat has trim tab standard, and we did the optional trim tab indicators. This is a digital throttle and shift boat, that Mercury 300. You'll notice here that we have a hand-built fiberglass windshield. So a really clean, sharp look that matches the boat's gel coat. You can close off this windshield along with a block-off door, so on your cooler running days, you keep some of that wind, or if you get any rain, out of the cockpit. And this windshield door actually also slides up and removes, so you can get it totally out of the way if you want to. This is our head area. We got a lot of canvas and other items stowed in this head, but this is a self-contained vacuum flush head with its own holding tank, dockside pump out. Battery switch is accessed here. Otherwise, this is a good storage space. and access to fuses and breakers. You see up, we've got the fiberglass hardtop with big beefy stainless steel supports, LED light overhead. Further forward in our bow area, we've got adjustable armrests that fold down. We've got storage that's finished out and drained on both sides. JL audio speakers forward as well. This is a really deep bow area, so you can see I've got a lot of good support. Feel really secure and comfortable. Stainless steel grab rails, bow rod cup holder receivers, so they can hold a rod, they can hold a cup, but they can also accommodate a bow sunshade that you could mount up to the hardtop. We do have an anchor locker forward here as well. And you'll notice we've got snaps here on the foredeck in addition to the cockpit. So we have a bow cover and a cockpit cover, which is part of what you saw inside the port side console. I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. That's a look at our 2021 Scout 235 Dorado. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and check us out at marinemax.com. Thank you.